Hi everyone, my name is Sydney, and I'm currently studying Integrated Public Relations and Advertising. I hope to use this degree to work with nonprofits and advocate for people who do not have a voice. The pages I have are my homepage, which just says a little bit of a welcome, and it just lets them know about my blog and what the posts are about. In my About Me section, I include some information, some pictures, my hobbies, as well as what I am studying. I think it's nice to put a face with your blog so people know who is posting. In my current projects section, I have a few flyers that I created in the past for a student government association. I was limited to the things that I was able to type in them and the programs I was able to use. Some of them look a little empty because I did take out pictures and names just to avoid any conflict with that. And then I have my resume section where instead of just putting a resume, I actually just listed everything, past jobs that I've had, the things that I did at each of these jobs, as well as some skills. And then I just had a little contact button and it just required this. So when creating this blog, I wanted to keep the layout very simple and clean because I feel like sometimes I can go a little overboard with bright and fun colors. So I really think that by keeping it clean, I was able to execute my vision well. Moving forward, I would like to add more to my current projects section because some of these projects aren't really my favorite and I don't think that they showcase my best work. So I'm currently in an internship, so once I complete a few more graphic designs, I will add those and replace that. A few issues that I encountered in the design process were certain things that I wanted to do or change I wasn't allowed because it was an upgrade feature. So I think if I can continue blogging or continue my ePortfolio, I'll definitely upgrade so that I'm able to do more things and have more freedom. But overall, I really loved getting to create this blog. I learned a lot of things that I didn't know prior. Being able to share your work on this platform is really awesome for future job opportunities because you're showing the initiative and you're letting them know about your passions and you're able to showcase your work before, say, you get an interview. They're already able to see what you're capable of, which I think is really awesome. So I'll definitely consider using this, or at least once I get closer to graduation, revamping it and sending it out to future employers.